Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix your Epic Games launcher. So the first thing you want to do is to open Epic Games launcher. So when you open Epic Games launcher, it'll say this. Maybe you have the same problem as me, but I'll show you how to fix it. I have a little problem here. So it's when you hold your mouse on it, it'll say, oh sorry, it looks like we're having trouble by connecting. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix it. Now you have to close your Epic Games account, Epic Games launcher, and go to the task manager by finding Epic Games. Click on install. So when you come here, you have to find Epic Games launcher, and I have it here. Right click on it, and it'll say repair, and it's blah blah blah, and you just have to repair. But mine cannot repair because I delete my folders for that. So you just do that steps and everything, and then it should work. And that was it for this video, and I hope you guys it should work.